Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a Bitcoin update. I'm also going to talk about XRP XLM update. So let's get right into it, guys. Let's start off with the crypto bubbles. I always like to start off with the crypto bubbles, see what the day is looking like. Well, it's looking mostly red today, guys. Yesterday was a green day, but today's been a red day. Looks like about 60% of the coins, or a little bit more, are in the red. Some of the channel favorites, XLM is down 7.3% for the day. SAND is already down 17.7% for the day, but it was mooning yesterday, so it's just doing a normal correction. What else we got here? We got Popcat, the crazy little cat, is down 8.1% for the day. Let's see, where's XRP? Another one of the channel's favorite. Can't see it on here. Let me type it in. Can't find it on there. Let me type it in. And XRP is, yep, that one is down only 0.33% for the day. So it's not down by much. So yep, it's pretty much neutral. Here it is right here. That's why I couldn't see it. It's a little bubble over here. So yeah, SAND and Mana are the biggest losers. Mana's down 13% down for the day. And Raydium is down 12.7% down for the day. And yeah, guys, looks like we're having a normal little correction. I mean, nothing goes up in a straight line. My outlook for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market is still the same. Right now, it's the time to stay bullish. It's not the time to get bearish on Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency market. Even though we're having a correction, you know, it's just normal. I mean, Bitcoin goes up and then it corrects. But I still see Bitcoin, you know, hitting around 120K or above, right around sometime between Thanksgiving Day and December 4th. So we still got up to like 9 days, you know, basically over a week to hit our price target over 120K, and could possibly even go as high as 140K by December 4th, guys. So yeah, stay bullish in the market. Right now it's not the time to get bearish. It looks like Bitcoin did correct yesterday all the way down to 92,534 on the trading day of November 25th. Today is November 25th here in the US, but the trading day is already November 26th, because the November 25th trading day, it closed about a little bit over 3 hours and a half ago. So definitely we're already starting November 26th on the trading day, and it's already bouncing back. So November 26th might end up a green day by the time it ends tomorrow. So yeah, guys, don't get shaken out by this small correction. I mean, from 99,800 where it made the top on November 22nd, I mean, it corrected you know, all the way down to 92,500. So that's about like, you know, like a 7.5% correction. So I mean, that's normal. I mean, it's single digit correction. I don't think the 30% correction is coming in yet for Bitcoin. I think it's just a shakeout. I guess you could call it a bear trap. You know, they're just trying to shake out all the weak hands, all the fearful people, get them to sell their Bitcoin, and you know, all the rich people, all the market makers, they'll come in and buy you know, your cheap Bitcoin, you know, and they'll hold it, you know, and reap the rewards in 2025. So yeah, guys, I wouldn't be selling my Bitcoin right now. I don't think it's gonna correct, you know, 30% yet. I think it's just going to bounce back. It'll probably consolidate, you know, maybe another day or two, or even 3. You know, somewhere between like 90,000 and 99,000. You know, the current all-time high, 99,890. It is going to be, I guess it is taking a little bit longer to break $100,000 for Bitcoin. I mean, it is a milestone number. I mean, it's a psychological number. And there's also a lot of sell walls at 100,000K. I mean, people have been holding Bitcoin, you know, since the bear market low of 15,000. So a lot of rich whales, I mean, they invest millions of dollars. So I mean, like, you know, like, don't make a lot of money if they sell 100,000. A lot of people target 100,000 to sell. So I mean, it's a psychological number. And people, you know, even from last cycle who've been holding under 15K, they're probably, you know, wanting to sell 100,000. They're going to be millionaires. So you know, they don't care. they'll sell it, before the top of the bull run and be happy. So that's why it'll take maybe another day or two or three, a few more days to break through 100K. It looks like, but I still have my thesis. I've showed in previous videos that Bitcoin does a 100% move in 3 to 4 weeks after it breaks into price discovery of its current all-time high. And Bitcoin did that in November 6th. It broke 73,600, which was the previous all-time high made in March 14 or March 18, 2024. And 3 to 4 weeks from November 6th is March 27 to I mean 3 to 4 weeks from November 6th is November 27 and all the way up to December 4th. So that's why I'm targeting somewhere between November 27 all the way up till December 4th for Bitcoin to do that 100% move. So it could get as high as 140K, but I'm being conservative. I'm just saying that Bitcoin will for sure be above $120,000 sometime after Thanksgiving, or right around Thanksgiving to all the way around December 4th. Give or take a few days. Nothing's exact. History repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes. And we do gotta follow the data from history, because a lot of people think, oh, this time's gonna be different. It's not gonna do the 100% move this time. Look, can you see it's already correcting? We're gonna do the 30, 40, 50% correction now. A lot of people might think that, but I'm still sticking with my thesis. I do believe Bitcoin's gonna keep rallying until December 4th, sometime between Thanksgiving and December 4th, and it is going to make that 100% move. So I'm sticking with my thesis that Bitcoin will be at least 120K before it starts correcting and going into a 30% correction. Now, once it does make a local top between 120K and 140K, sometime between Thanksgiving and December 4th, I do see a 30% correction coming in for Bitcoin. So let's just say if Bitcoin is around 120K on right around Thanksgiving or December 4th, then I do see a 30% correction coming in, and that'll probably bring it right down to the same price we're at right now. So don't wait for a bigger correction. It's going to correct 30%. Even if you buy right now and it does a 30% correction later, it'll be right around the same price. So I wouldn't be hesitating if you still have some dry powder and you want to buy some Bitcoin, because we might even go higher. We might end up going all the way up to 140,000 sometime between Thanksgiving and December 4th, and then the 30% correction will be around 100,000 or 104,000, right around there. So you might end up if you're waiting for that correction, you might end up having to buy Bitcoin at higher prices later. You'll be chasing it because you think like, oh, Bitcoin's gonna go back, go to $80,000 right now. I don't think Bitcoin's gonna go under $90,000. It might tap $98,000, but I don't think it'll go under 90,000 right now. At least not until it has it's 30% correction. If it only gets to 120K, it might tap the low 90s again. But you're taking a chance because Bitcoin might actually top off in about a week around 140K, and then the 30% correction might be not under 100,000. So you'd be having to buy Bitcoin above 100,000, and you'll be chasing the Bitcoin prices as it goes higher, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm sticking to my thesis. I do believe Bitcoin is going to continue to rally. It might take a few more days because that $100,000 is a psychological number, and a lot of sell orders, a lot of people selling. But I don't think we'll go under $90,000, at least not right now. I think we're going to continue to rally until it completes the 100% move. Sometime between Thanksgiving and December 4th, I do see Bitcoin being somewhere in the price range of 120K and 140K. Alright, guys, let's get into XRP. Current price of XRP at the time of recording is $1.44. I don't know if you guys saw, but the current price of Bitcoin right now at the time of recording is 94,415. Okay, back to XRP. So the current price of XRP is $1.44. It looks like we're just gonna be consolidating. Like if you guys would have watched my previous video, I was saying that the XRP was gonna top off somewhere between $1.50 and $1.63 before it started its 30% correction, and it did that on November 23rd. I thought it would do it on November 24th, but nothing I say is exact. It's always right around that date or right around the price. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not a psychic. And anyways, you shouldn't, you got to do your own research. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so, and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. But anyways, back to my research. Like I was saying, I did call it pretty good on XRP. I did say it was going to top off around 150 to 160 price range, and it topped off at 163 before it has a 30% correction. And so far, it's gone all the way down to $1.27. 30% from $1.63 is $1.14. So it might grind down for the next week, the next few days to a week, all the way down to $1.14 or $1.15. It might not, it might only make somewhere between a 25% to 30% correction. It might not go all the way down to $1.14. But if it does, that's where I see it. I see the bottom coming in. It's right around $1.14, guys. But anyways, I do see XRP consolidating, the next few days to a week before it goes to the next leg up. So it's probably going to consolidate, maybe another week or so. Tops, I don't see it. I don't see it consolidating more than 2 weeks. But there is a chance it could consolidate, at these lower prices for another 2 weeks. But more likely it'll be just a week, and then it's going to head up to another leg up, guys. We'll go into higher prices. After $1.63, my next price target is $2. So once XRP is done consolidating at these lower prices, somewhere between $1.14 and $1.60, it's just going to be consolidating. Ranging from $1.14 to $1.60. I do see my next price target for XRP is $2, guys. That's going to be my next price target, and obviously, it'll in this bull run it is going to surpass $2, but it's got to get to $2 first. Check out my XRP price prediction. If you guys want more deeper analysis on what I think XRP's price is going to be later in the bull run. But just to summarize it, guys, I'll just give you my my bullish realistic price prediction for XRP at the top of this bull run. I see the top coming in somewhere around March 14th of 2025, somewhere between March 14th of 2025 and maybe all the way up to April 14th of 2025. I do see XRP topping off in this bull run somewhere around $15, guys. So I just gave you my price prediction right there, guys. But my XRP price prediction goes into a deeper analysis, though, guys. All right, guys. So that's what I see coming for XRP. I see about a week of consolidating, somewhere between $1.14 and $1.60. It's just going to be ranging, and then it's going to go to the next leg up, guys. And my next price target is $2, guys. Now into XLM, guys. Another one of the channel's favorites. XLM, the current price is 50 cents. It did go as high as 63 cents on trading day on November 24. Did pretty good on XLM too. It kind of surpassed my expectations, though. I did say it was going to top off on the trading day on November 25th, but it topped off a day earlier too, just like XRP on November 24. But it did surpass my expectations. I thought it was going to top off somewhere around 30 cents, but it doubled my expectations, and it topped off all the way up to 63 cents. So it looks like XLM is going to run super hard this cycle, guys. It's already showing a lot of signs of strength. It's it's got these God candles, since the elections. It's just been going up, up, up. And I did say it was probably going to do a 30% correction once it topped off. And it looks like it topped off at 63 cents, and it made that same correction that same day. So it already corrected 30% on the same day on November 24, all the way down to 43 cents. So from 63 cents to 43 cents, it's about a 30% correction. So it already did it. So I think it's just going to consolidate, somewhere between like 42 cents and 60 cents, just like XRP for like another week, maybe 2 weeks, but most likely only a week. But there's a chance that it'll consolidate up to 2 weeks, ranging between 42 cents and 60 cents, give or take a few cents. It'll consolidate for another week or two, and then it's going to start, trending upwards and going the next leg up. And my next price target for XLM, once it's done consolidating and it starts moving up, is $1, guys. So $1 is my next price target for XLM, guys. So look out for $1 here. Maybe around Christmas we'll get a Christmas rally, and we should see definitely $1 by the end of the year for XLM, guys. And for XRP, we should definitely see a $2 XRP by the end of the year, guys. So yeah, that's pretty cool, guys. Now I got some bullish news for XRP. It looks like Wisdom Tree has filed XRP ETF in Delaware. So Wisdom Tree Fund is a New York-based asset management firm. It's registered in the state of Delaware, and they filed for ETF on November 25th, guys. That's today. So basically they joined Bitwise, Canary Capital, and 21 Shares. They're the early XRP ETF applicants for the US. So that makes 4 companies or 4 asset management firms that have filed XRP ETFs, guys. So stay bullish on XRP, and if XRP is bullish on this cycle, we all know XLM is going to be bullish too, because usually XLM follows XRP. So if XRP has a bullish cycle, that means XLM is going to have a bullish cycle. And so far, both XRP and XLM have shown signs of strength. So I do definitely think XRP and XLM are going to do really good this cycle. And more bullish news for Ripple is that blockchain payment firm Ripple basically announced that they have launched their first tokenized money market fund on the XRP ledger, guys. So basically, asset manager ABRNDN's $4.7 billion. They basically they tokenized it and put it in the XRP ledger, guys. So I guess it was made possible through Ripple's partnership with ArchAX, the United Kingdom's first financial conduct authority regulated cryptocurrency exchange, broker and custodian, which has access to ABRDN's money market fund. So they're going to be tokenizing ABRDN's $4.77 billion money market fund on XRPL, and this demonstrates how more real-world assets (RWAs) are moving on-chain to unlock operational cost savings and settlement efficiencies. So yeah, guys, looks like Ripple is tokenizing ABRDN's $4.7 billion, guys, on the XRP ledger, guys. So that's very bullish, guys. That's just one of the first money market funds that are tokenized in the XRP ledger, and I'm sure there are more to come, guys. So just lot of bullish news this cycle for XRP, guys. Gary Gensler, he's basically resigned. He'll be out of office by January 20th, 2025, when Donald Trump takes office. We got this, first tokenized money market fund on the XRP ledger. We got 4 companies applying for the XRP ETF here in the US. So stay bullish on XRP, guys, and stay bullish on XLM, because basically XRP and XLM, they move together, guys. All right, guys. So that's what that's a quick update on the Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM. Let's look at the crypto bubbles real quick. Yeah, guys. Don't miss out on on all the good projects out there. I've named a few already, but I'm just gonna name you some of my most bullish plays for this cycle. You can't miss out on Avalanche. Do not miss out on Avalanche. Avalanche, it's going to do really good this cycle. It's a gaming play. It's a RWA play. You know, they got the best Web3 game right now for all blockchains, which is Off the Grid. You know, Off the Grid took all the awards for Game of the Year. It was the best shooter of the year. It was the best multiplayer of the year. You know, it's already up to $41. Avalanche from the bear market low of $8.60. But I mean, I do think Avalanche get all the way up to you know, at least, you know, like $300 would be my bearish case scenario. But realistically, I do see Avalanche topping off somewhere between, like, you know, like $600 and $800, guys. So don't miss out on Avalanche, guys. I do think Avalanche is going to be around for a long time, and it's going to have a really good bull run cycle, guys. Another good play would be you know, Jasmy coin. Don't miss out on Jasmy, guys. I do believe Jasmy is going to get to $1 this cycle. I mean, it's pretty cheap right now. It's only at 0.024 cents. So I mean, you could definitely make, you know, a little bit under 50x if you buy Jasmy right now. But again, guys, don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, you know, definitely look into Jasmy coin. You know, it's called the Bitcoin of Japan. You know, it's not called the Bitcoin of Japan for no reason. I do believe Jasmy coin is going to get to at least $1 this cycle, guys. It's got all the total token supply for Jasmy, and the circulating supply is already out in circulation. It's 50 billion. So I mean, you're not going to have the team dumping on you. And it's got, like, you know, ex Sony executives are on the Jasmy team. So you know, those Sony executives, I mean, they know how to market a product and they know how to follow through on their business. And I do think they're gonna make Jasmy as profitable and as successful as they did the Sony brand, guys. So definitely, you know, don't miss out on Jasmy, guys. It's one that I recommend too. Another one that I recommend that is still at low price is a DeFi play. It's an Ethereum layer 2 called XCN or Onyx coin. I mean, can't go wrong with it. I mean, the market cap's only $60 million market cap. There's still a lot of upside. You know, I think you could definitely do at least a 50x from the price of today on XCN. You know, don't confuse it with JP Morgan private coin Onyx coin, which is on the Avalanche blockchain. But it's the Onyx coin that JP Morgan owns is private. You can't invest in it. That's just their private blockchain. But this Onyx coin XCN, which is an Ethereum layer 2, you can invest in it. And I do believe a 50x is totally possible for this DeFi platform called Onyx coin XCN, guys. Definitely a lot of movement. I mean, DeFi. I mean, you can't, you know, don't forget about DeFi, guy. I mean, cryptocurrency was basically, you know, invented for DeFi, decentralized finance, guys. So I do think Onyx coin is a good play, guys. It's got a lot of heavy backers behind it. I mean, Visa's behind it. Nasdaq the Nasdaq stock market's behind it, guys. So definitely don't miss out on XCN Onyx coin, guys. Definitely a good 50x play. It's only a $60 million market cap, and the price right now is at 0.001946, guys. So don't miss out on Onyx coin. Another one I recommend, guys, would be where is it? Real quick here. Let me look it up. Let me go to CoinMarketCap. Well, you already know about XRP and XLM. Those two I recommend too, guys. XRP and XLM. Don't miss out on XRP and XLM, guys. Another one that I recommend, guys, is on CRO. Don't miss out on CRO, guys. CRO. I think it's going to do really good this cycle. Let me put it up over here on the bubbles. Chronos. I mean, a lot of people you know, are gonna miss out on CRO, guys. I mean, it's only a 4.84 billion market cap, and for an exchange, that's pretty low. Look at BNB. Look at BNB coin. I mean, that one did massive last cycle. So I think there's going to be another exchange token that's going to have a massive run like BNB did last cycle. And I think CRO might be that blockchain that does it, guy. The reason I think CRO is going to moon this cycle, guys, is because Crypto.com, they've been heavily marketing, guys, and their volume on Crypto.com has been you know, soaring. I mean, crypto.com. I mean, they market, you know, all over the world. They're doing heavy market in the U.S. And all over the world, guys. So I mean, I definitely think crypto.com is you know, a good platform, and it's gonna be you know, I think their token CRO is gonna moon, guys. You know, and the crypto.com, I mean, they're pushing a lot of meme coins, and you know, they're getting a lot of traders going to their platform, because, you know, a lot of, you know, other good exchanges like Coinbase and, you know, like Binance, all these AAA exchanges, they don't have a lot of meme coins, and that's what you know, the retail investors want. They want meme coins. And, you know, a lot of retail investors, they're still new and they don't know how to use DEXs. So, you know, they're gonna go to, like, you know, exchanges like crypto.com, where they could find meme coins, guys. So a lot of good meme coins are coming up on crypto.com. So that's why I think the CRO token, CRO, is gonna do really good this cycle, guys. So don't miss out. If you're looking for an exchange token that I think might moon, definitely look into Crow, guys. That would be a good one if you're looking for an exchange token. Let's see what's another good one. Well, we all know Popcat's gonna do really good. It already mooned. I still see a good, you know, like, you know, 5 to 6x on Popcat. What's another good one, guys? Sui. We all know Sui's gonna do really good, guys. Although it's already up, you know, like almost like, you know, like a 9x from the the bear market low of 36 cents. I still see a good, like, you know, 10x. I think it could do another 10x. So I do see Sui getting to somewhere around $30. So if you're looking for a good 10x, Sui would be a good play also, guys. And Doge, guys, don't miss out on Doge. I know Doge, you know, it's already been mooning so far. It's already up at 8x from the bear market low, guys. But you know, Elon Musk is behind Doge, you know, and everything's going good for Elon Musk right now. I mean, Elon Musk is the richest man in the world, and just recently he, like, you know, he's like almost like doubled his wealth. He's up to like 318 billion you know, net worth. So yeah, Elon Musk is worth $318 billion. So when things are going good for Elon Musk, things go better for Doge. And you know, Elon Musk is the leader of Doge. So definitely, and when I mean Elon Musk is the leader of Doge, I mean he's the leader of the Department of Government Efficiency. You know, the new agency that Donald Trump's gonna make to you know, to audit you know, the government. So definitely, I think Elon Musk is going to be in the spotlight for all of 2025, which is the bull run for cryptocurrency. So that's why I think, you know, Doge is going to moon, and I do see Doge getting to around $2. So don't miss out on Doge, guys. If you want like a good you know, solid meme play that, you know, that's not going to crash you zero, I look into Doge. And in case you guys didn't know, guys, with might start mooning here, you know, once Bitcoin starts running again, WIF just got listed on Robinhood. So you know, Robinhood is a big exchange in the US, and they're also pretty big in the UK and Europe. So you know, a lot of more traders are gonna start you know, trading WIF. So you know, that might bring a lot of volume to WIF, guys. So don't miss out on WIF also, guys. So definitely look into WIF, and definitely you know, can't miss out on Pepe. That's the #1 meme coin for Ethereum. Although it's already run up, you know, like a lot. I mean, so, you know, just for the year, it's already done up 17,000%. I mean, 1,700%. I still think that, you know, Pepe could get to at least like a $40 billion market cap. It's already at 8 billion, so it could still do a good 5x from the price of today. If you want like a solid meme play that's not gonna crash to zero, guys. So yeah, guys, there's a lot of good plays out there, guys. Just look into them, you know, and you guys, you know, do your own research and see which one you guys like. And I'll give you one last one. It's ICP. You know, ICP is kind of, you know, been lagging, guys. You know, the all-time low for ICP is like $3. So it's only up, you know, like a little bit over a 3x from the bear market low. So it might be a good play if you're still wondering, you know, where can I put my dry powder on. ICP, like Jasmy, already has all of their tokens in circulation. So I think ICP, you know, it's a good play because the team's not going to be able to dump on you. It's got a good, like an AI narrative. Definitely, look into ICP because I do think the AIs are gonna run, the AI tokens are gonna run this cycle, guys. So yeah, guys, look into other AI tokens. I've already mentioned them, in other videos like Near Protocol, and other ones, guys. All right, guys. Well, I don't want to make this video too long. I could go on and keep talking about the coins, but I don't want to make this video too long. To end this video, I'm gonna leave you guys with the video, so you guys can stay bullish on the market. There's this guy called Scott Bessent or Scott Bennett. No, Scott Bessent. Donald Trump just, he's the #1 nominee that everybody thinks Donald Trump's going to put as the Secretary Treasurer, the Treasury Secretary. And he's very bullish on crypto, guys. So I'm gonna leave you guys with this video. It's about 8 minutes long, but it's a good video because at the end, Scott Bessent, talks out, and he basically says how bullish he is on crypto, and also this guy, this market expert David Tawil, he says that he thinks Bitcoin could be around $250,000. He says that Bitcoin could be around $250,000 by the end of the year in 2025. And just to let you know, my price target for Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is going to top off in September of 2025, and I see the Bitcoin price in September of 2025 being around 180K and 250K. So I'm in line with what this David Tawil guy says, that Bitcoin could be around $250,000 at the end of 2025, guys. So yeah, guys, I'll leave you with this video, guys. All right, I'm gonna play it for you guys now.
Welcome back. Take a look at futures. A big rally underway on this, the beginning of the final trading week of November. Dow Industrial's up 300 points right now. The Nasdaq is up 115. Bullishness going into Thanksgiving, as many expected this melt up. A look at crypto this morning. Bitcoin trading just shy of $100,000 right now, even though it is pulling back fractionally this morning. Joining me now is ProChain Capital President David Tawil, who predicted back in January that Bitcoin would hit $100,000 this year. Whoa, you saw this when Bitcoin was so much lower. David, congrats, nice call.
Thank you, Maria, good morning.
And do you think it has legs? What's your prediction for the year end and into 2025? How high can this go?
So I think we definitely cross 100,000 shortly, maybe even today. It would be quite auspicious day to cross 100. I think by the end of next year we get to $250,000, and it's not just putting numbers out there. There's really a lot of substance behind this. As you've noted, the market has been on a good rally since Trump's election. I think we'll continue to have the Santa Claus rally into the end of the year. And then when President Trump takes over and starts to go ahead and enact his policies, the market will continue to go higher. And with respect to Bitcoin and crypto specifically, we've got great catalysts coming, both fundamentally and from a regulatory perspective. We've got some appointments already announced with respect to the cabinet that are going to be supportive for crypto. We've got Trump and Truth Social and his activities specifically around crypto being very supportive for the industry. We're going potentially to get a crypto czar. And then for purposes of buying of Bitcoin specifically, we've got, in addition to MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor making billions of dollars of purchases, it seems, just every couple days, we now have the state of Pennsylvania considering in the House to make the Bitcoin a strategic reserve asset for the state of Pennsylvania. Certainly there is speculation, and there's been a bill put forth for Bitcoin to become a strategic asset of the U.S. Treasury. And then we will go ahead and start the game theory around the world for corporations, as in the case of Microsoft, having it put on its proposal for shareholder meeting, a strategic Bitcoin reserve there. But nations and corporations around the world going ahead and thinking about adding Bitcoin to their strategic reserve assets, which would begin huge buying all around the world.
Yeah. Yeah, I could see that. That's an incredible expectation that you've got $250,000 for Bitcoin by the end of next year. But people are worried about this. Those people who are holding a lot of these securities in growth overall, like, for example, MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy co-founder Michael Saylor said that the company is making $500 million a day with Bitcoin. And I spoke with Tuttle Capital Management CEO and Chief Investment Officer Matthew Tuttle last week on this program about MicroStrategy. Listen to what he says. Watch.
You would think that MicroStrategy going up like it's going up is a good thing. There are a bunch of Wall Street investment banks that have way more MicroStrategy on their balance sheet than they want. And you've got risk guys right now scared to death that, you know, they want to figure out a way to get that off the balance sheet. And that could create dislocations. And that could be some dips in crypto that I'd buy.
What do you think about that, David?
Well, with respect to the last comment about dips to buy, I'll agree with that part of the statement. With respect to the scariness of MicroStrategy, I understand the concern. Bigger is always a little bit scarier, especially for somewhat of a narrow market like Bitcoin. If Bitcoin begins to broaden in terms of its holdings far beyond just individuals and some risk-taking institutions, to it being a strategic reserve asset for corporations and governments around the world, the argument dissipates immediately. In addition, what Michael Saylor has done has been nothing short of incredible. He has created a flywheel, and if you listen to him talk about how he goes ahead and quote-unquote refines Bitcoin for various types of investors, it really does make a lot of sense. I don't know about the investment banks that Tuttle is talking about that are holding too much MicroStrategy. As a matter of fact, every issuance of convertible notes that MicroStrategy has made has been oversubscribed and has been purchased by very large institutions, including the likes of Allianz, which is a huge worldwide insurance company. So in fact, I believe that what has happened until now, yes, the stock has gained incredibly, over 100% in a month. So yes, there is concern about being too hot too quickly, but at the same time, there is a lot, as I explained earlier, in terms of regulatory anticipation and fundamental purchasing of Bitcoin that goes ahead and supports this type of growth. And last thing, Michael Saylor is not done with respect to what he will do for the Bitcoin ecosystem. He doesn't just want to be an owner of Bitcoin. He does want to go ahead and use Bitcoin to do other financial projects, and I think those will be forthcoming.
Very interesting, and that is similar to the Trump team, who are looking at this as a much broader conversation than just one crypto. President-elect Trump nominating Key Square Capital Management CEO and founder Scott Bessent for Treasury Secretary. I want to get your thoughts here. Bessent has been a huge supporter of crypto. I spoke with him on Wall Street back in July about how Bitcoin is bringing in the next generation of investors. Here's what he said. Watch.
One of the most exciting things about Bitcoin is for a generation of investors who maybe post the great financial crisis have been looking for investment opportunities, or maybe they'd soured on markets. Crypto is bringing in young people. It's bringing in the people who haven't participated in markets, and having a market culture in the U.S. and people believing that markets work for them is a centerpiece of capitalism.
It's really an interesting point, David. And Trump's incoming administration is holding talks on creating a new White House position dedicated to crypto policy. So there's that. What are your thoughts on Scott Bessent as Treasury Secretary? And it all falls in line with what you're saying in terms of the infrastructure being built around crypto right now.
I think it's amazing that Scott Bessent has been nominated to the Treasury Secretary. He really understands markets very well. He's been an institutional investor for many years and understands some of the challenges, frankly, that face institutional investors that really aren't warranted. In addition, those comments about a new generation of investors, of savers, of participants in the financial system that are more attuned to cryptocurrency and other types of digital assets is very forward-thinking, and I agree with him, and I think we're going to see a lot of changes coming from Bessent and the cabinet.
So I assume you would buy stocks here then, David. I mean, the market's rallying right now. Is this the Besant rally?
Oh, I think this is a lot of things rally. I think it's Trump. I think, by the way, it's the strength of the United States as well on the world stage. I mean, we have a much brighter future based on the current president's cabinet and the policies that we've heard than anybody else in the world at this point.
Amazing. Yeah, well, we know it's the Trump rally, that's for sure. David, it's great to see you. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Maria. Happy holidays.
And to you, happy Thanksgiving. David Towell.
Well, there you have it, guys. That guy, Scott Bessent, he's very bullish on crypto. You heard it on the video right there. So hopefully he gets elected, or hopefully Donald Trump appoints him as the Secretary of Treasury, or the Treasury Secretary, and that'll be good for us crypto holders, guys. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's make this channel grow. The Stock Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.